Anti-friction components, making industry more profitable. It only takes one part to fail in your production line and it stops. Costs escalate, profits decrease. We keep you up and running by helping you to maximize efficiency with authentic quality products, keeping production moving and profits rising. Solving production line issues alone or specifying superior parts can seem impossible. We don't work alone. We are leading brand authorized distributors, working closely in partnership with them and you, finding the best possible solution. We offer specialized training to improve maintenance practices. We have a close partnership with leading international brands. When you deal with one of us, you're talking to a team of experts. Purchasing online parts seems cost-effective, but counterfeit parts are everywhere. They look real, they aren't. Fake parts can have disastrous effects, causing big problems, risking health and safety. As an authorized distributor of the world's leading manufacturers, we provide fully authentic and traceable components and services, keeping you safe and operational. We can improve efficiencies, for instance, helping to develop a lubrication plan to increase uptime, specifying superior components, leading to less failure and less downtime. We form a strategic partnership with you, giving advice and guidance from leading brands, deep technical knowledge and experience, helping with system designs, ensuring smooth operation on day one. Assessing a production line visually is okay, but you can't see inside. We can help you predict and plan for failures and extensive site surveys, identifying issues and suggesting improvements, so you run optimally.